This is a station board that I made for my drone, and I thought you might want to take some ideas for your own. All these parts are 3D printed, and you can find the files in the description. I have a Mini 4 Pro with the RC2. I made this to attach my phone and track the air traffic to help avoid getting close to any aircraft. I joined two DJI chargers so you can charge two batteries at the same time. These are the anti-collision lights that I put on my drone when flying at night. Here I put my landing pad. I like that it's fairly heavy so it doesn't blow away by the wind. This is an inverter so I can optionally charge everything in my car. And here I have spare propellers, some lenses, documents, etc. I usually keep this under my TV, but sometimes I put it on the passenger seat of my car to fly my drone somewhere else. I hope this is helpful and see you in the next video. Bye bye.